Hello friends, my name is Viraj. Today in this tutorial I would like to show you how to use average functionality in MS SQL. So let us begin with our tutorial. So first open your SQL server and first we will create a database. So write create database name MB MB MNC underscore DB. Just select and execute it. So our database has been created. After that, we will create a table. So write create table. Name will be user detail info. Open a bracket, close it, semicolon. First, we will write UID begin data type u name varchar 50 u country varchar 200 comma u salary float. Just simply select and execute it. So our table is created. Now we will insert some data inside it. So write into insert into user detail info value, open a bracket, close it, 1 comma, that is my UID, name will be Viraj, country will be India, comma, salary 15,000. Simply we will add a few records, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Raj, country will be USA, salary 10. Then Anil, UK, salary 12. Then Sunil, country Canada, 9,000. Shreyas, China, country 11,000. Ajay, China 16,000. Just simply select and execute it. So all the data will be inserted. So right here, select star from user detail info. Just simply select and execute it. So all data is inserted. Now I will show an example related to how to use your average functionality. So first write select select average, open a bracket, right here you salary as salary sum from user info where you country is equal to China, where it basically show this will basically show the average salary of a country China. So just select and execute it. So this is an average amount. You can see 11,000 and 16,000. The average amount will be 13,500. So hope you like this video. Please like, subscribe, share it and keep supporting me. Bye.